Kind of pregnant patty this. The patty I breathe to blood clot. Yo! Yo, I can tell too it's not a gas patty because I can feel the meat in there. Blood clot is a kick. It's a kick.
Caribbean Queen patties. Is this the queen of the pack? I can't lie, when I saw the prices, I was like, what? $6.50 for patty? But once I saw the patties, I understood. These patties are big. Nutty Professor and Norbit settings.
Kind of turtle shell up on the patty.
Hey, it's Franklin. Now, this is a homemade style patty, so you're not going to have the flaky crust that you're used to. The crust is actually fire. Like I said, homemade style, so the inside is not going to be as wet as I'm used to, because I'm used to the wetness.
Yo, this patty been in the oven for 9 months. Like, it's ready to pop. You are getting this pack full of chicken.
Now, you do get your money's worth with the chicken. However, the one I got was a little bit on the drier side. But I could see this being fire depending on the batch you get. So I'm going to give the beef at 8.5 and the chicken a 7. The patty them just need a little Fiji, a little water and a mixture. But it's still worth the buy.
Bro,